Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA 99. First, you'll need to understand that playing this classic game today primarily involves emulation. This means using special software to mimic the original gaming environment. We'll cover the essential steps, from selecting the right emulator to finding the game file itself. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of nostalgic football action. Next, let's talk about choosing the right emulator. Since FIFA 99 was available on multiple platforms, your choice depends on the version you wish to play. For instance, if you want the PlayStation version, EPSXE is a strong contender. For the Nintendo 64 version, Project 64 is a popular option. Always check compatibility with your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once you have your emulator, the next crucial step is acquiring the FIFA 99 game ROM. A ROM is essentially a digital snapshot of the game's data. You can find these by searching online, but always prioritize trusted websites to avoid corrupted files. After downloading, it's wise to quickly check the file size and type to ensure it's what you expect before proceeding to load it. Finally, with your emulator and ROM ready, it's time to set up and play. Open your chosen emulator and navigate to its settings to configure video, audio, and control options. Many emulators allow you to map keyboard keys or connect a USB gamepad for an authentic feel. Load the FIFA 99 ROM file, and you'll be ready to hit the virtual pitch and enjoy the classic gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.